Hello everyone. So this one ay continuation po ng ating last time na natakal about sa factorial calculator. So this time we will study I will share po about the tutorial about the simple discount system. So for this discount system, first, of course, yung function na ginamit natin is get discount and yung amount, ito po yung ating parameters na ginamit. And for this next line, yung condition na ito, we will check kung yung amount ba, ito ba ay greater than or equal to 1,000. Then after that, it would return po if the condition yung ay true. Magkakaroon siya ng 10% discount. However, if hindi, ano daw po nakalagay? It would return or if the amount is below 1,000, wala pong discount na ibibigay. Ayan po yung ibig sabihin dyan ng ating kondisyon. So, for this total, it will ask the user yung kanyang total purchase amount. Then, final price. Dito ay kukol na yung function, and this one, kukol natin, and yung kanyang to. Kukol, para ma-store po yung discounted price. To. Kukol natin yung function to store yung discounted price, and yung input nitong user. Then lastly, it would display to, yung final price po. So, let us check about this po. As you can see, ito na yun. Total amount ng aking nagastos. Let's say 1, 2. So, meron siyang discount na 10%. 10% nito. Okay po. So, na siya. Naging eligible yung discount because it is greater or equal to 1,000. But how about na 900 lang? 900 po siya discount kasi last na. Okay po. So, then let's proceed to next one. So, ayan. For our problem number 4. For this one, yung ating function, check temperature, then ating parameter, depth. So, this function, ito po ay it will classify yung kanyang temperature value and will return this one. Yung cold, warm, and hot. So, if the temperature is below 20, it is categorized as cold. It would return yung cold. And if yung temperature was between 20 and 30, it would categorize as warm. And warm yung kanyang return. Then if the temperature were above 30, it would be categorized as hot or else hot po. So then, and for this loop, it would run to 5 times. Or it reach for 5. Means it would run 5 times. Then, it would print po yung category ng temperature. So, let's try po ito. Tungkol dito. In order para makita din mismo. So, let me show you. So, for example, temperature. My temperature right now, it is 57.6. Oh, it's hot. Then, 0. Cold. Next is 5. Cold as well. 20. Warm. 6. Hot, right? So, as you can see, yan. Ito yung 5 beses na maiulit dito. Then, i-check niya yung then magpa-flash siya para umulit dito ng 5 beses. Tapos, kukol natin ito dito para para lumabas yung nakastore dito sa temperature doon sa category natin. Then, i-print yung category. As you can see, this one. So, that's all for problem number 4. So, let's proceed po to problem number 5 po. Okay. So, for the problem number 5, this one, I had a hard time, but first, let us proceed na po. Problem number 1 is a number guessing game. So, first ay imported po itong random. So, para ma-import yung random module, so it would generate po yung random number. Kaya po, para dito po yung import. Then, again, use yung dito yung ating function na ginamit is yung check guess, yung ating parameters, this regret guess. So then, if guess is smaller or less than the secret, it would return or it would show you and too low. Then, if yung guess ay mas malaki sa secret, sabihin niya ay too high. Yan. Kumbaga mag-guess ka dito ng number. Mag-input ka dito, mag-input ng user yung number, this one. Then, it would show dito kung mas mababa, mas kailangan niya pang taasan yung pagmumula ng kanyang number. Or, it would show yung if he or if the user guessed it correctly at without habang hindi pa nauubos yung kanyang attempt, then you can say that you have won the game. So, next one, secret random number. So, secret random number, ito yung nag-generate from 1 to 10 number. Then, ito, for attempt equals to 0 and max attempt is equals to 3. It means, itong variable na to, ito yung number ng guesses na pwede. Ito yun. Okay po. Hanggang, isabihin hanggang 3 guess lamang ito. So, yan, while, using yung loop na while, so this loop will allow the user parang mag-guess siya for 3 times. So, then, for this, we will call yung ating function para i-store is 1. Then, yung result, we will call it here para ma-display. Then, if the result were correct, na guess ng user, then it would show you correct. However, if not, then, magpo-proceed siya to another attempt. Magpa-plus yung attempt. Okay, dito. Until 3. So then, lastly, would check. Oh, sorry. Kapag na-correct niya, guessly, yan. Tama. Nalabas na. Kita niya tama. However, if hindi, mag-set, mag-check, kumbaga, naubos niya na yung 3 max attempt niya, and it will show, sorry, the number is, it will show yung correct random number. So, let's try po. Temperature number 1. Oh, temperature number 1. Uh-huh. Oh, this one, the last one. Okay. Let's guess. Not good at this one. Too low. Oh, correct. I guess it correctly. Okay. I guess it correctly right away. Usually, we can deliberately make it wrong now. So, 5, too low. Sorry, the secret number is 7. Once again, napili niya ng number ay 7 muli. So, this one is about our last for this video po. And thank you for listening po.